Communicating in Writing. Dr. Caller Benjamil, University of 8, May 1945 Gelmer. Welcome to the fourth lecture of the Communication Practices module, which focuses on communicating in writing. The key points of this lecture include 1. Introduction to communicating in writing. 2. Types of written communication. 3. Pros and cons of written communication. 4. The role of technology in written communication. 5. The future of written communication. 6. Conclusion. 7. Works cited. Now, let's begin with the definition and scope of written communication. A. Definition and scope of written communication. Written communication, as defined by Hamilton, encompasses the use of written words and symbols to convey information, ideas, and messages. It is a structured and tangible form of expression, enabling individuals to communicate asynchronously across various mediums, such as letters, emails, reports, and text messages. B. The role of written communication in modern society. In today's society, written communication plays a central role in facilitating information exchange and record-keeping, as emphasized by Anderson. It serves as a primary mode of documentation, education, and dissemination of knowledge in academia, business, and daily life. The written word has expanded its influence through digital platforms, including social media and online publications. C. Interplay between written and verbal communicatio. The relationship between written and verbal communication is dynamic, with each form influencing the other. As stated by DeVito, written communication complements verbal communication by allowing for precise and well-thought-out messages, which can reinforce or clarify spoken words. In professional settings, the two forms often work in harmony to enhance clarity and ensure a complete understanding of messages. 2. Types of written communication. A. Business and professional writing. B. Academic writing. C. Creative writing. D. Personal and informal writing. E. Digital and online writing. F. Written communication in social media. 3. Pros and cons of written communication. A. Advantages of written communication. 1. Permanence and documentation. 2. Precision and clarity. 3. Communication across time and space. B. Disadvantages of written communication. 1. Lack of immediate feedback. 2. Potential for misinterpretation. 3. Limited nonverbal cues. 4. The role of technology in written communication. The role of technology in written communication is ever-evolving, reshaping how we interact through the written word. A. Email communication. Email communication, according to Smith, has revolutionized written correspondence. It offers speed and efficiency in both personal and professional contexts, making it a dominant tool for written communication. B. Online chat and messaging. Online chat and messaging platforms have transformed how we engage in written conversations. As stated by Williams, chat and messaging apps provide real-time, casual written communication, facilitating quick exchanges, and supporting a more informal style. C. Blogging and social media posts. Blogging and social media have given individuals a platform for self-expression and interaction. Brown emphasizes that blogging and social media posts enable personal and public expression, bridging the gap between formal and informal written communication. D. Online collaboration tools. Online collaboration tools are vital for effective written communication among teams. According to Johnson, tools like shared documents, project management software, and video conferencing enhance written communication in Collaborative work environments. E. The impact of artificial intelligence on writing. Artificial intelligence is making waves in writing. Assistance. As highlighted by White, AI tools for writing, such as grammar checkers and content generators, are transforming the way people produce written content by automating tasks and enhancing quality. 5. The future of written communication. A. Emerging trends in written communication. Emerging trends in written communication are shaping its future. As stated by Johnson, new trends such as microblogging, multimedia-rich content, and the integration of augmented reality into text are changing how we create and consume written information. B. The evolution of written language. The evolution of written language continues, reflecting societal changes. As Crystal points out, the advent of digital communication has led to the widespread use of abbreviations, emojis, and informal language, altering the conventions of written expression. C. The impact of technology on writing and language. Technology's impact on writing and language is profound. As Thorne explains, technology has expanded the written medium, introducing new forms such as texting and instant messaging, and influencing how language evolves in response to digital tools. 6. Conclusion. In this comprehensive lecture on written communication, we explored the foundational elements of this vital form of interaction. We began by defining written communication as the conveyance of information through written words and symbols, emphasizing its role in modern society and its dynamic interplay with verbal communication. We then delved into various types of written communication and discussed their specific contexts and applications. Additionally, we examined the advantages and disadvantages of written communication, highlighting both its strengths and limitations. The role of technology in shaping written communication, including email, online chat, social media, and AI, was a central focus, showcasing how digital advancements have transformed the way we write and connect. Looking to the future, we considered emerging trends, the evolving nature of written language, and technology's profound impact on writing and language. Encouraging effective writing skills, we stressed the importance of reading widely, regular practice, seeking feedback, editing, understanding your audience, staying informed, and embracing technology. By honing these skills, individuals can become more adept and confident in their written communication, a valuable skill that transcends various aspects of personal and professional life. 7. Works cited. Thank you for tuning into this video lecture on communicating in writing. Thank you for your time, and goodbye.